There was a time when wealth had to be loud. Chrome wheels, roaring engines, sharp angles screaming for attention at traffic lights. But something changed. If you stand in front of the 2026 Rolls-Royce at night, you won't hear it arrive. You won't see exhaust flames. You won't even see aggressive design language trying to dominate the road. Instead, you feel something else. Presence. Not performance, not speed, not horsepower. Presence. And that's exactly why this car changes luxury forever. Because for the first time in automotive history, silence is the flex. The 2026 Rolls-Royce is not trying to compete with supercars. It isn't fighting electric hypercars on acceleration charts. It doesn't care about Nürburgring lap times. It isn't even speaking the same language as traditional luxury sedans. It represents a psychological shift. And if you understand that shift, you understand where wealth itself is going. Look at the exterior. At first glance, it feels familiar. The long hood, the upright stance, the unmistakable grille silhouette. But something is different. The proportions are stretched, almost architectural. The body panels are smoother than anything we've seen before. The surface reflections don't distort. They glide. It doesn't look sculpted. It looks poured. The front fascia is no longer about aggression. There are no oversized vents, no unnecessary drama. The lighting signature is thin, restrained, deliberate. The grille is illuminated, not brightly, but with a soft ambient glow that feels more like a private club entrance than a car part. It doesn't demand attention, it assumes it. And that assumption is the new luxury. But here's what most people miss. This car wasn't designed to impress the public. It was designed to impress the owner. That sounds obvious until you realize how radical that is. Most vehicles are engineered around visibility, how they photograph, how they look in traffic, how they perform in viral clips. This one is engineered around isolation, door seals thicker than anything before. Double-layer acoustic glass, active suspension systems that read the road hundreds of times per second. The cabin is tuned not just to block noise, but to erase it. Not dampen, erase. When you close the door, the outside world doesn't fade. It disappears. And in 2026, that is the ultimate commodity. Because noise is everywhere. Notifications, markets, social feeds, political tension, economic volatility. The modern wealthy individual doesn't crave attention. They crave control. Step inside. There is no traditional dashboard in the way we understand it. Screens are hidden until summoned. Physical buttons are minimal. Surfaces are wrapped in materials that feel less like leather and more like tailored architecture. The ambient lighting is adaptive, not color-changing gimmicks, but calibrated tone shifts based on time of day and external conditions. Morning light enters the cabin differently than evening city glow. The car adjusts. It feels alive, but not digital. That distinction matters. Because the future of luxury isn't more screens, it's less intrusion. And that's the boldest decision here. While other manufacturers race to install larger displays and more AI assistants shouting directions, the 2026 Rolls-Royce does the opposite. It retreats. Technology is present but invisible. You don't interact with it. It anticipates you. Seat pressure mapping adjusts posture automatically during long drives. Cabin temperature microzones respond to individual passengers independently. The sound system doesn't just play music. It calculates acoustic geometry based on who is sitting where. Even the scent diffusion system is programmable to match specific destinations. Arriving at a private event, the interior subtly shifts atmosphere 10 minutes before arrival. That is not transportation. That is choreography. But here's where it becomes revolutionary. This car is fully electric. And not in the way most brands interpret electrification. There is no aggressive torque demo. No 0 to 60 in 3 seconds bragging rights. The acceleration is smooth, almost unnervingly so. It doesn't push you back into the seat. It glides you forward. Because speed is no longer impressive. Effortlessness is. In 2026, the wealthiest buyers don't want to feel power explode. They want to feel power under control. The drivetrain is tuned for seamlessness. The suspension reads potholes before you feel them. The steering is weighted to remove tension, not increase feedback. This isn't a driver's car. It's a sanctuary on wheels, and that is a completely different category. Now let's talk about something uncomfortable: status signaling. Luxury has always been about signaling, but the signal has evolved. In the early 2000s, luxury meant visible logos. In the 2010s, it meant performance numbers. In the early EV wave, it meant tech dominance. Now, it means restraint. The 2026 Rolls-Royce does not scream money. It whispers permanence. The paint finishes are deeper, more subtle. Customization is extreme, but never loud. Bespoke options aren't about color contrasts. They're about texture, lighting tone, stitching density, material origin. Owners are not choosing red or black. They are commissioning environments. That is the psychological leap. You are no longer buying a car, you are specifying a mobile atmosphere. And here's the bigger picture. This car reflects a macro shift happening in global wealth. The next generation of ultra-high net worth individuals grew up digital. They've seen hype cycles. They've seen bubbles inflate and collapse. They've watched social media create overnight fame and erase it just as quickly. They are not interested in temporary flash. They are investing in durability, longevity, timelessness. This vehicle is not futuristic in a sci-fi way. It's futuristic in a strategic way. It is designed to age well. Look at the lines. There are no trendy creases, no experimental shapes that will look outdated in 5 years. It's understated by design, because true luxury does not follow trend curves. It exists outside them. Now imagine this scenario. You're in Manhattan. Late evening, light rain, street reflections stretching across asphalt. Traffic is dense, taxis honking, delivery trucks rumbling. And this 2026 Rolls-Royce moves through it silently. Windows tinted just enough. Interior insulated from chaos. Pedestrians glance at it, but they don't quite understand what they're seeing. It doesn't look like anything else on the road. Not because it's extreme, but because it's calm. Calm is rare, and rarity is the foundation of luxury. This is why it changes everything. Because it shifts the definition of premium from more to less. Less noise, less aggression, less visual chaos, more intention, more craftsmanship, more psychological comfort. And when the definition shifts at the top of the market, the rest of the industry follows. In 5 years, you'll see other brands talking about silence as a feature. Minimalism as innovation. Invisible tech as progress. But here, Mati, in 2026, this is the origin point. So the real question isn't, how fast is it? How much horsepower does it make? What's the range? The real question is, what does it say about where luxury is going? And the answer is simple. Luxury is no longer about being seen. It's about being unreachable. And that's just the surface. Now let's talk about the part no one includes in traditional car reviews. Who actually buys this? Not influencers. Not celebrities chasing relevance. Not tech founders trying to prove valuation. The 2026 Rolls-Royce buyer is different. They don't need visibility. They already have leverage, and that difference changes everything. In the past, luxury vehicles were often aspirational symbols. You bought the car to show you made it. But the buyer of this car doesn't need proof. They need insulation. Because when you reach a certain level of influence, business, finance, geopolitics, global networks, mobility stops being about transportation. It becomes about environment control. The car is no longer just a vehicle, it's a mobile command center. But here's the twist. It doesn't look like one. Inside the 2026 Rolls-Royce, there are no flashing executive desks, no futuristic holographic displays projecting market charts, no dramatic tech theatrics. Instead, there is silence calibrated to perfection. Because high-level decision-making requires mental clarity, and clarity is impossible in chaos. The average executive today moves between overstimulating environments, airports, conference rooms, events, digital overload. Every moment is reactive. This car is engineered to reverse that state. When the door closes, the nervous system slows, heart rate drops, breathing stabilizes. The world compresses into a controlled, predictable interior space. That's not luxury. That's neurological design. And here's where it becomes strategic. Privacy. In 2026, privacy is the ultimate currency. Not money, not followers, not brand recognition. Privacy. The most powerful individuals in the world are not the ones trending. They're the ones moving quietly. The 2026 Rolls-Royce reflects that mindset. Enhanced acoustic shielding, signal-isolated cabin architecture, integrated secure communication systems designed to function without broadcasting digital footprints. This isn't marketed loudly, it's built intentionally, because the future of wealth is invisible. Let's address the electric transformation again. Many brands transitioned to electric to appear progressive, to satisfy regulation, to follow sustainability narratives. But in this car, electrification serves a deeper purpose. Silence. The removal of mechanical aggression aligns perfectly with the new psychology of status. Combustion engines roar. Electric power hums. But this system is tuned so precisely that even the hum disappears. Acceleration feels like gravity shifting rather than torque exploding. It doesn't excite the body, it reassures it. And reassurance is more powerful than thrill when you already own everything else. Now imagine this scenario. A private equity founder finishes a negotiation that reshapes an industry. Media speculation explodes online. Analysts debate the move. He steps into the rear seat of the 2026 Rolls-Royce. Door closes, noise disappears. Interior lighting softens to a warm dusk tone. The cabin scent subtly changes. And for the next 30 minutes, the outside narrative doesn't exist. No noise, no pressure. Just controlled silence. That is what this car sells. Control over environment. Control over pace. Control over perception. And here's something even more important. Longevity. This vehicle is not designed for short-term hype cycles. It isn't built around trends that expire in 3 years. The design language is restrained because restraint ages well. In 10 years, it won't look outdated. In 15 years, it will still look intentional. Because timelessness is the highest form of luxury. Fast fashion fades. Fast cars fade. Timeless architecture remains, and this car behaves like architecture. Now zoom out. What does this signal for the broader automotive industry? When the pinnacle of luxury pivots toward minimalism, silence, and privacy, the ripple effect is inevitable. Mid-tier brands will copy the aesthetic. Premium brands will adopt calm design language. Electric performance vehicles will tone down artificial engine sounds. The industry will shift from spectacle to serenity. And that shift begins here. Because Rolls-Royce doesn't follow trends. It sets them, slowly, deliberately, quietly. But let's confront one final uncomfortable truth. This car is not built for most people. It isn't even built for most wealthy people. It is built for individuals who view mobility as extension of identity, not transportation. If you measure value purely by speed or technology specs, you will never understand it. If you measure value by psychological comfort, permanence, and environmental control, suddenly it makes perfect sense. Luxury in the 2000s was loud. Luxury in the 2010s was digital. Luxury in the early 2020s was electric. Luxury in 2026 is invisible. And that's why this Rolls-Royce changes everything. It proves that the future of status is not domination. It's discretion, not spectacle, but sovereignty. When it moves through the city at night, it does not demand recognition. It assumes it. And the people inside? They don't need to be seen. They already are. So the next time someone asks how fast it is, or how many screens it has, or how much horsepower it produces, understand they are asking the wrong question. The right question is, how does it make power feel? And in 2026, power feels quiet. And that quiet might just redefine luxury forever.